Hey, it's Mark with Rainbow Pool Service. This is an overhead view of a filter. Now it's pretty dirty, clogged up. Just wanted to see the whole inside column was filled. These are supposed to be stiff. They're grids, and the skeleton has broken on some of these. And I'm moving them back and forth. You can kind of hear them crunch too, if you listen. That's just a terrible sound. And here's another one. The first one we pulled out, I just put it on the ground, but I knew it had a break. And that's what we're going to do, is replace all these grids. But the first thing we got to do is pull them out of the filter. And we're about halfway done here, a little bit more. This is a combination of DE powder, which is white, combined with dirt and bugs and organic matter like leaves, things like that. And dropped a little. It's so heavy. And let's put it in the pile. Unceremoniously, of course. Hey, you got to keep the pump clean. Clean the pump. Now, this is all the leftover. There's a bulk of it here, and some of it there falls off. It's so much material. This filter hasn't been cleaned in a while. We've backwashed it, but you got to do the annual cleaning once a year. And this is the part that nobody can escape. You've got to get in there with your hand. And it's icky. Alright, so the filter's cleaned. We're putting the new grids together, and basically looking at the finished product. So thank you for listening. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe. Take care.